Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to be learning about while loops and if statements. So we start off by making a new Java project. We can name this whatever we want. I'm going to call it while loops. Then we just click finish. And now in while loops we just right click, click new, and then go into class. We then again can name it whatever we want. I'm going to call mine while loops. Oh, no spaces. Just click finish, and that's all done. We can just import java.util. Yep. And then we do make a public static void main, and in that put string and args with 2 square brackets. Finish off by adding a curly brace at the end of the line. We can then make a variable string var equals that, and then we need to make the object scanner. I'm just going to call this get text equals new scanner. Put 2 parentheses around, and then inside the parentheses we do system.out.print line. No, wait, no, I'm doing the wrong thing. System.in. And now what we need to do is we need to make a while loop. We start off with the simple and Java-like syntax by doing the 2 parameters and then the curly brace. Inside the parameters we need to put the condition in there. What we can do now is we can do while var, just put an exclamation mark at the beginning, dot equals, because it's a string we can use the dot equals, exit. Let's just do that. Now we just click enter and it builds everything for you. We can now start by making an if statement. We can do var dot equals just do that. Var dot equals, and then just put hello. Using this same technique we can produce artificial intelligences that don't actually learn by themselves but can respond with anything that you want them to respond with. We can do if var equals hello, it will return, or in other words print, hello. Hello. And then we can just put that. And now for multiple if statements we can have else if, which is pretty much the same syntax. We just put else and then space and then if. In this if statement I'm going to be checking whether var, the variable, is the same as by. Seriously, what is the point in doing that? Okay, equals by. We can return or print system.out.print line, and inside here we can just put by. And now say that they type in something that we don't actually pick up from all these if statements. We can just put system.out.print line error. And now if we just, this won't actually work because we haven't produced we're not actually calling the object, so we can do get var equals get text dot next line, and then just finish that off, and this should work. So if we just run this up here and then go into here, and then we do hello, it's going to return hello, and then we can do bye, it's going to return bye bye, and if we do exit, it's going to come up with an error. Now we know that this while loop is working, but we can also extend this program to loop until they type in exit. So we can just put false. It's the same as false. And if I'm correct, this should work. So if we now type in exit, let's just find out why this isn't working. So the program is just going to run through here. It's going to be var doesn't equal exit, and therefore it's going to go into here. And the next line is just calling the function, making sure it's a string. We'll then check whether that's true. If it's true, then it will run this. Else it's going to check whether this is true. If it is, then it's going to run this. Otherwise, if it's not true, it's going to run this. So, okay. So let me guess. Yep. This did actually work. And now I'm trying to type something in, but it's not working because I've been stopped from doing it, or being able to get the input. It's going to the end of this, is saying, is it equal to bye? Is it equal to hello? No. So it's going to go to this part of the code. It's going to print error, and then it's going to go to this condition. It's just checking whether this condition is true. I mean, including all of this. Seeing that it is true, and we want it to be false, it's not going to enter this section of the code. And therefore, we can show you this by doing system.out.println, and then just put bye. Now if we run this, exit, and there we are. It's actually exited this. Whereas, if we just type in something else, for example hello, it's not going to print bye, because it's not exiting the loop. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot. Thank you.